What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Made it into POHBOYS, and look what's behind us.
Some fresh new coilovers.
Dang, Shipwreck is about to upgrade this RX7. So here's a little video on how we're gonna do it. You ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
We're ready, man.
It needs it.
Oh yeah,
It needs
oh
it
yeah.
bad.
So let's get to work, man. Woohoo! So what do we know about brand new coilovers?
Nothing.
At least for every set of coilovers I bought for my 240s are always used, so I didn't have to like worry about compressing them or whatever the term is you have to do for brand new coilovers, if there is a process or not. But I don't know, we'll find out. Shipwreck's gonna read up on it.
This product may only be installed by trained technical personnel with proper tools.
Oh, did you know that someone commented on the paintball gun up here?
Oh, they did?
Like, what's up with that paintball gun? I was like, I don't know, man, it's just there.
It works. Well, it needs new O-rings.
Okay, other than that, then you go play.
Well, that's why I put it up here so I can just go and shoot around the backyard with O-ring busted.
Oh man.
I just haven't been too lazy to get a new one.
So what you doing first?
Just set her up for a before and after shot.
Always gotta get those. Is it automatic? Oh man.
Power.
Bougie. Bougie for the win.
Those Miatas that just manual labor. Yeah. Why would you do that?
Next thing to do is grab the jack. We're gonna go start from the front first and then work our way back. Damn, look at that. That's sick.
You might have to put the top up to get to the rear.
Yeah, go towards you. Cool.
Last time you take them out.
Right there. Go right there. And then up top, you got the 4 up here.
She's being too easy.
She knew.
You ready?
Yes.
Attention.
Attention. So right now, Shipwreck just removing those 4 top bolts that hold it up, and it should just drop down. Should. Should.
Dog, you've done it.
It's a boy.
I'm gonna shit it out much because I have no bushings, so there's nothing to break.
Right. Look at the freshies. Old and busted. Freshies. Dang.
It's the size difference.
Nice and gentle now.
What
Oh my god.
are you doing?
Sorry. It fell out of my
You
little...
can't have new things.
Did it fall?
Did it fall?
Did it quack?
Shine it well.
Looks like Shipwreck got the second side done. Came out smoother than the other side?
Yeah, the front. Well, this side was a little easier.
Yeah.
There's that guy.
Hey, what's up?
Mr. Big Shot.
Big Shot getting jobs and stuff. What's up, buddy?
Let's get those jobs.
Yep.
Get a job.
He took my job.
Tim took his jersey.
Oh yeah, I bet you did. Damn, look at Spiffy. Damn.
That city
Looking heck yeah. Mr. Fancy Pants.
Dance cookies up.
We're just about done with this. We got both sides.
Are you got them both in?
Yeah, they're both in.
The front?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna lower it down, see how it is. I know.
Nice.
What are we doing now, buddy? Next step. Tighten them up. Almost done.
Yeah, it's in on the bottom.
And then we'll put the tires on and then, yep. And see how the height is, huh? Drop it down.
Do it all over again.
All right. So what we've got in here. Dang. Oh yeah, the new shocks.
But they're not lifting as fast as I thought they would, so.
Just give it time, maybe. Dang, you go shred some gnar, bro. Mountain High.
No.
How'd that get there?
Oh.
No, look at Live Life Flush, baby. I didn't even know the stickers were in there, man.
These are the front ones.
Yeah. Be bougie in the front.
These are the old ones for the rear. Look at that.
Oh my god, that's probably what your suspension is.
I
right
know.
now.
Getting all new dampening suspension.
There's the oh, that box right there. What's in the box? Dang, like bullets. Oh man, dang. Let me see one. Come on. Dang, dude. That's tight.
These are crazy. They pop off to that. So that's like the nut right there, and then this
Just like a little
screw
cap.
on top.
Oh, all for show, huh? That's how they do it.
Show baby.
Show, baby. The second one's on. Time to lower it. Hopefully the jack doesn't get stuck underneath. Let me grab some wood really quick.
Don't take your car full, boys.
That should be good.
Never get it back. Dad's like, yeah, keep bringing cars over here. Collection in my backyard.
I'm gonna cash out one day. You guys just wait.
When you fools do something dumb and die.
Since we got the fronts done, Shipwreck's looking to see how do we get to the back, and it looks like the convertible might be up, have to go up. Shipwreck needs a little bit of light in there, so what I'm gonna do is use the old POHBOYS lights. Grab those and throw them inside the RX7, and he'll be able to see like daytime. Look at that, you can see inside, see you do everything. It's cool because it's just magnets that hold it. The magnets in the back. So you can see a lot better with this little minor light he has on his head. So what you want to say?
Alright, to get to the rear strut, you need to take off this whole body panel internal. Little plastic bolt here. There's a main bolt here. And then the plastic on the door seatbelt snaps off. And then you can remove it. And bam. There it is.
The panel? No, the panel. Show it to me.
It's also covering your top motor.
The Shipwreck loosened up the bolts on both sides. Got one right there. The other one's on that side. And then right now he's loosening the lug nuts for the back. We'll get those off and then we'll pull off the stock suspension. Looking like a miner, man. Feels like it on this little cave. Yeah. The cave of wonders right here. Pull it off.
That old shit.
Get that out of here. The old. I think you should just run it without suspension, really.
Oh,
Yeah, just free float it.
oh, spider webs attached.
Oh yeah. Keep the webs on. Memories. Woo! Alright. 2 down the back.
2 new ones above.
2 new ones and then we'll be good, man. Driver's side, all nice and buttoned up. Well, it looks like we're done. Well, when I say me, more like Shipwreck. All done. Woo! Yeah, well, still gotta check it out. All 4 tires are on. Now we just need to check the height. Let's see, now that we got it on all 4s now, huh? Wow. Looks way better.
Yeah, it definitely looks tough.
Yeah.
It got rid of that stock gap, and we just adjust it from here on out. Look at the spacers, see how that looks.
It's good height right now.
I think it's
It's decent.
Because if you put a kit, it's gonna drop it like here already.
Yeah.
I mean, you could always go lower. You can go lower later.
So since it is a little dark outside, we wanted to go on a little cruise to kind of break in the suspension. So it's a little too late.
Well, my headlights are pretty crap.
Yeah, that
so we
too.
can't see if we drove at night.
Yeah, we'll crash into something. So we'll pick this up tomorrow. I hope you enjoy what you saw right now, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's the next day, and it's a scorcher. It's super hot out right now. Check it out. There it is. RX7, waiting for us to give it a little test drive. Honestly, there's no sleeping right now though, man. Now we gotta go test it out.
Scrape on the way out of here.
Scrape on the way out, figure out what this. The city didn't come fix his hole. Should be alright. Well, pieces of wood will work out. Should make it out fine. I don't think we're gonna scrape. And I mean, you're not like super like. Cold start? Breakfast time? What you thinking? Pancakes, waffles, bacon?
Some French toast.
Oh, French toast sounds
weeks,
bomb.
Months.
Yeah.
It feels like months.
I could go for that. Yeah, breakfast sounds bomb right now, man. Just take the for doing everything last night.
Just make sure it's not loose.
The goose is loose.
Dude. Oh man, yeah, it gets so low now.
It's like you just fall into your car now.
Want to ride?
Are you insured? I can't take that ride. we can make it out. Should be good. Should be good. It shouldn't be too bad. Just double check. Oh. Well, that wasn't too bad. Oh yeah. Scraped right there, like it did something. Still scraped. I don't know what it was. I don't know what dragged into the dirt. That's a diff? Probably. Damn, look at it in the sun. Definitely a lot stiffer.
Yeah, it's
Way
not bouncing
different.
around.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a boat. That's a plus. Those BC racing coilovers, man, made the car way different.
It's always fun to have a nice little scare.
Yeah. But that's the whole point, man. I mean, you haven't been able to really drive it, so
Yeah.
it's all good. Woo! Looks like it's my turn to test out the RX7. See how it goes. And we got our food. Breakfast time! So easy to see everything around you in a convertible, man.
No blind spots.
And no blind spots at all. Oh, let's take this. I don't want to go out to that stupid driveway. Your brakes are definitely a little soft.
Yeah.
Get off the main road.
It didn't scrape.
Oh man, I love this car, dude. This car is awesome. I'm so glad it runs.
Yeah, it runs.
Yeah, it runs so
It
good.
seems solid.
Yeah,
Should
for
be.
reals. Besides the little bogging issue in the beginning, I don't know if it's like a cold start issue with the transmission or not. But other than that, I mean, it shifts fine. There was nothing, no jerkiness, no craziness, no weird noises.
Yeah, I just need to learn what its habits are.
Yeah. Well, that'll do it, folks. It was a fun, productive, super productive,
Record-breaking time.
record-breaking productive time. Yes.
We got it done in one day.
Easy, fun, coilover install. Yeah.
Take that, Angel.
Not no 4 to 8 days.
Yeah, not 4 to 8 days on this po' boy build.
So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more on the RX7, Crescetta, and the 240, which the 240, man, soon is gonna run. Just wait. If I get working on it today.
Yep.
So yeah, catch you guys next time. Woohoo!
I'm sorry, folks. This is what you were made for.
Oh my god.